Hello everyone, in today's video, I'm going to show you how to use Crypto.com Onchain Wallet. To start, open the Crypto.com app and tap on the wallet icon. Now select Crypto.com DeFi Wallet or Onchain Wallet option. Then, tap Create New Wallet and set a strong password. Carefully write down your recovery phrase and store it offline. Once set up, connect your Crypto.com account to the wallet. Here, tap Add Tokens to view or import supported cryptocurrencies. After that, choose tokens like BTC, ETH, or CRO and add them to your list. Use the QR code or wallet address to receive crypto. To send crypto, tap Send, enter the address, and confirm details. Next, use the swap feature to exchange one crypto for another instantly. Monitor your portfolio value, transaction history, and network fees. Finally, enable biometric login or two-factor authentication for extra security. That's it. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more videos.